when you look at our materials, indeed they are complex, and making them into user-friendly materials, I think that is the best ever thing to happen for this project.
Right now, I can manage to provide the exact information that I need to the farmers in the right time.
Mango Tree started 10 years ago with a simple vision: to create educational tools that are easy to understand and easy to implement. We help organizations find solutions, usually in a very pictorial, participatory way. This could be any tool such as a visual aid, a game, a manual, a training.
Over the years, we've worked with more than 300 companies, offering services in-house like situation analysis, strategic design, testing and production of all kinds of tools. I think one of the major assets Mango Tree has is the diversity of our people, both in culture and in academic background. From designers to writers and the management, we are all different, and therefore we really understand the needs of our target audience, our users and our clients.
What I can understand, my father or my grandparent may not be able to understand. But what my grandfather understands, I also understand. I always use that principle when I'm developing a story.
In the beginning years, most of our materials were primary education materials with the purpose of strengthening education in the classroom. Now we're doing everything from teacher's guides to curriculum design. Then we have educational materials like the ones we made for Deaf Child Worldwide. This was a kit developed for parents who wanted to communicate better with their deaf children. We took a simple idea of flashcards that show a picture of the word on the front and a sign on the back, and developed a curriculum of games and different teaching methods around them.
Use of these cards have really helped us, because if he signs, for example, like a tomato, when he's really showing you that this is a tomato, you really pick this is a tomato.
Because without the cards, then it is very hard to understand the basic science that we have been focused on teaching. But when the parents see the materials and at the same time also see the signs and are taught how to sign the signs, then they themselves can actually take it to themselves and practice even more.
We make us a sort of a play, and it comes out that everyone in the family now, they are picking.
The whole family using the cards. It makes it much more easier.
People. We are learning the sign language, so now we are happy with Ian.
Dog, grass, book.
We make a wide range of health materials, but if you want to look at one of the first materials that someone might want if they're working in a community, it starts with hygiene and sanitation.
The homes were dirty, the latrines were not fixed, so that was the problem. When you use a story, because people are used to the oral culture, it's easier for them to take it on. Because the story has two components. It has the negative side and it has the positive side. So the people have tried to move from the negative side to the positive side. So there's great feedback.
Nti amaka amanaga gaidamu okufuirwa obulamu amaka amayondo gaja mu maiso n'okulankulana.
With these materials, it's easy for us to actually translate our key messages that we want directly into visual pictures that aid into training. You don't say a lot, the pictures say it all.
people know how to work their land, but they lack modern agricultural knowledge. Mango Tree comes in is to help organizations strengthen the farmers' knowledge on different topics, anything from budgeting to post-harvest handling.
The materials we had before were quite complex, most especially for illiterate communities in the north and northeast where SDI Boka works. So by simplifying them to adopt to such a setting, I think it was quite a great success.
I'm now teaching my farmers from different villages on developing a profitable enterprise. We have varied enterprises, but a farmer have to select one which is viable.
Farmers are busy people. They need to get information quickly and concisely. They need actionable material and not a lot of theory.
Cinta dia me rong ruenyo, ipitu kodi morno. Cinta dia me yin rong ruenyo, idoyo. Garama me yin ruenyo. Orebiti uno chora me magoba. These pictures, farmers pick it very fast. It's not like before where we used to write on flip charts. And you know, some farmers, they don't know how to write. But this material, it involves everyone.
Pe ya nujmora no no. Me pe berba mana do ni chwale wa wonne. Ya gre nujmora no no.
Purong yo dang ko na dong tia yo. Piana tia kwanyo gin out of it.
The vision of Mango Tree is to provide Africa with the best educational tools possible, and we really take pride providing tools to our customers that help them to improve people's lives every day.